In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a table of contents on Google Sites fast and easy. So let's get started. First of all, you need to navigate your browser to Google Sites. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and searching for Google Sites in the search bar. Once you see the search results, click on the link to Google Sites. This will take you to the Google Sites homepage. If you see multiple options, make sure to select the official site to proceed. Now that we're on Google Sites, it's time to choose a site that you want to add a table of contents to. You'll be greeted with a list of sites, if you've already created some in the past, so go ahead and click on the site you want to edit. If you haven't made any sites yet, you'll need to create one before proceeding, but for today's instructions, I'm assuming you have one ready. Once you're inside the editing interface of your chosen site, look for the Insert option in the menu. This is the hub for all the different elements you can add to your site. Click on Insert, and a panel will appear on the right-hand side with various options, including text, images, and more. This is where the magic happens. In the Insert panel, you should see an option for Table of Contents. Click on it, and it will automatically get added to the section of your site where your cursor is placed. There's no need to fiddle much here, as this tool does most of the work for you, which really simplifies the process. However, for the table of contents to function, your page needs to have headings. The table of contents uses these headings to navigate through your document. If you've not yet added headings to your page, don't worry. You can do this by adding a text box from the same Insert panel. Type in your desired heading text, and make sure to mark it as a heading, not just regular text. You can do this by selecting the text and then choosing the heading or subheading option from the text format menu. What's great about this feature is that the table of contents updates automatically. It detects these headings and organizes them. As you add or remove sections, your table of contents will stay up to date without any manual updates. After doing all of this, don't forget to preview your site to make sure everything looks good and is functioning as it should. Once you're happy with the setup, go ahead and click Publish. This will make all your updates live on the web. And that's it. You've successfully added a table of contents to your Google site, making navigation easier for your visitors. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more tech tutorials.